These are my first ever shots on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Hopefully by the end of this video, you will understand why you might want this camera. For me, I've always wanted something small enough that I could take on the go. And while I'm using the Pocket 3 to record these shots, the camera fits nicely inside this small case. It also has a slot for the microphone that comes with it. Let me show you and let you have a listen to what the mic sounds like. 2024, I think in 2024, action is a word. Action is a word because we have a lot to do. We have a lot to take action on. Within ourselves, within our work, within our bodies, our faith. Take action. Action in work. Keep in mind, I was recording this while on the plane, which was actually pretty loud. But then again, keep in mind I was recording this on the plane just in my seat. And at this point, I was only a few hours into using this camera for the first time. Immediately I realized that I don't have to sacrifice video quality for size and portability. In fact, you can fit this compact camera in some really tight spaces, which allows you to get some really interesting shots. And with the DJI app, you can monitor and control the camera, which is extremely useful when recording yourself. As you can see, it will still take some time to get better with this, but I cannot get these shots with any other camera. Home at last. Obviously, one of the main features of the Pocket 3 is the gimbal. With the 3-axis gimbal, you can get really smooth and stabilized footage, even when you're moving. See, normally if I was hand-holding a different camera without any stabilizer or gimbal, this video footage would be really shaky and unusable, but not with the DJI Pocket 3. What also helps with this is the 20mm lens. This focal length is great for vlogging, allows you to get your subject and a lot of the environment in frame. And while some of these shots are edited and cut together, I did not stop walking at all to get these shots. That just shows how easy it actually is to capture video with this device. Just with the press of a button, you can switch angles and continue shooting and recording, all while on the go. go. We back in the land. We back in the band. Doesn't feel too bad out here weather-wise. Could be worse. Just glad it ain't snowing. Below freezing. So far, I'm really enjoying this camera. So make sure you check out these other videos of me using the DJI Pocket 3. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.